Left align a Pandas rolling object. Using Pandas 0.18.1, I'd like to take the rolling average of a one-column data frame. Since version 0.18.0, this is done with rolling objects. The default for these rolling objects is to be right justified. There's a Boolean argument you can pass, center equals true, to align the rolling object to the center value, but there doesn't seem to be a way to left align it. Here's an example. The standard method automatically aligns to the right, so there's no value at the first two indices with a window of size 3. We can center align the operation like this. But what I'm looking for is this. I can accomplish this by doing it with the default right alignment and then reindexing it, or by reversing the order of the rows and then doing it right aligned. But these are workarounds for what should be a straightforward operation.
I think you can use Shift.
Another solution is to simply reverse the data frame series before applying the right-aligned rolling window and re-reverse it afterwards. Something like. The benefit over Shift is that it should work with variable-sized windows in case of time-based windows.
You can use a fixed forward window indexer as per the dot rolling docs.